Hello and welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita and today let's learn to make instant Sooji cereal and instant Sooji porridge. This can be given to babies above 6 months after introducing basic solids. In the beginning, I'm taking Sooji or RAVA. Let us roast it for about 3 minutes. Here I'm adding cardamom, just one, to add on flavor to this cereal. You can even use cinnamon or cumin to flavor this porridge. Continue roasting for about 2 more minutes. Let it turn a little brown. You don't have to over roast it. Transfer it to a plate to cool down. Now in the same pan I am adding groundnuts. Groundnuts are very high in protein compared to almonds. If you are giving this for 6 months baby and you have still not introduced nuts, then skip both almonds and groundnut. This is for babies above 8 months in fact. Only with Sooji and cardamom you can make cereal for babies of 6 months age. For 8 months you can add all these nuts and make it more nutritious. This can be given during lunch or breakfast for babies. Just roast it for a while and then transfer it to the same plate. In place of almonds, you can even use cashew nuts. After cooling all these ingredients, we'll take a blender jar and transfer these ingredients inside. It's now time to make a fine powder. Don't worry if you are unable to make a fine powder, you can anytime sieve it. Just ensure the nuts are well grounded. We do not want any chunks here because the baby is too young to bite it. Instant Sooji cereal is ready. It's time now to store it in an airtight container. Immediately you will have to do that so that the flavor isn't gone. And you can use it for 4 months and above if you can store it safely without touching any spoon with water. Now how to make instant porridge with this instant Sooji cereal. In a bowl, 1 or 2 tablespoons of porridge mix, ghee and piping hot water. Necessarily this is the step which you don't have to miss. Do not add warm water. Once you mix it lump-free, cover and rest it for 5 minutes. Then you can see the creamy Sooji cereal all ready to be served. It's just this easy, and along with this I have few more recommendations. You can make sprouted ragi powder, health mix sattu mavu, Kerala banana powder and instant makhana porridge. These are all stage 1 and stage 2 baby food. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also have a look at our blog totsandmoms.com for more recipes and shop.totsandmoms.com to buy instant organic baby foods. Thanks again. Bye-bye.